Are you looking for the best Grizzly Drum Sander in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Grizzly Drum Sander that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Grizzly Industrial G0449-3710 HP Drum Sander. The Grizzly G0449 is a serious drum sander designed to impress in every aspect, with easy-to-use controls and features that make sanding tasks easy and fun. It oozes quality in every sense, powered by a powerful 10 HP motor. This sander is strong enough to sand even the toughest planks you feed it, to make the process of sanding tasks easier. The sander uses a variable speed control system. If you have a lot of sanding tasks, tune it to the maximum speed to complete it in no time. An incredible selling point of this sander is its computer-balanced 6-inch drums that make sanding easy and smooth. We found this extraordinary because the drums operate very smoothly, requiring minimum or no adjustments. Another notable feature of this sander is its high-efficiency dust collection system that allows you to operate in a mess-free workplace. The sander uses a 4-port dust scoop system that easily gets all particles, both small and big, from the sander, so you do not need to worry about the system getting clogged by dust cake or needing to stop to clear it. Up next in the 4th place is the Grizzly Industrial G1066R 24/5 HP Drum Sander. Trailing our top pick is this Grizzly Industrial G1066R that runs on a powerful 5 HP motor. We found this sander outstanding, especially for professionals with a lot of sanding tasks. The sander's powerful 5-amp motor runs 2 6-inch sanding drums at a maximum surface speed of 23 OFPM. We found this strong enough to clear even the tough marks such as knife marks from hardwood. At 442 pounds, this drum sander is really heavy, right? Well, look at it from the positive side. The weight provides you with a firm working station. The sander also comes with a 4-lead screw system that makes lifting and lowering the table easy. Simply turn the handle. Another selling point of this sander is that its drums are computer balanced. This implies that you do not have to worry that the sandpaper will flip out of position. And this is not all. The hook and loop paper system also makes it easy to change sandpapers without incurring significant downtime. The 3rd product on our list is the Grizzly Industrial G1079R16 2 HP Drum Sander. If you target doing a lot of medium to heavy-duty sanding works on wood planks not exceeding 15 inches, this is one of the best tools to use. Grizzly noted that a lot of woodworkers have issues with space, so they downgraded some features of the G1066R. The main selling point of this sander is the compact design that makes it fit well, even in workshops with space limitation. But even with the compact size of 40.5 x 30 x 33.5 inches, the sander has a powerful 2 HP motor that delivers 21 OFPM. This is ample for most sanding tasks in many workshops. Another selling point of this sander is its solid construction. It is constructed with heavy-duty steel that makes it durable and sturdy when sanding. Well, buy this sander, and you can rest assured of using it many years down the line. The dust collection system of this sander is awesome. Using 2 4-inch dust ports at the top, the system clears most dust for a mess-free work environment. Second on our list is the Grizzly G0716 Drum Sander. Although Grizzly is mostly known for designing heavy-duty sanding machines, or do we call them monsters, they deviated in the case of Grizzly Industrial G7 to 10 inches 1 HP Drum Sander. It is a high-performance drum sander designed to make moving from one working site or around the home easy. One of the most notable things of the sander is its uniquely positioned wheels. Notably, the wheels are cleverly positioned a short distance from the ground for 2 reasons. 1. The wheels stand free when the sander is being used, and 2. You can cart it away with ease. Further, it comes with folding handles for easy mobility. The Grizzly Industrial G0716 runs on a 1 HP motor that generates 23 OFPM. This is ample to handle your DIY sanding tasks around home or light to medium-duty commercial sanding tasks. You can sand blocks with maximum width and thickness of 9 inches and 3 inches, respectively. The sander uses a 4-inch dust port that carries away most of the dust from the machine. We like the positioning of the dust port at the top of the machine because it does not stand on your way when sanding or controlling wood. Finally, the top product on our list is the Grizzly Industrial G8749 Drum Flap Sander. The Grizzly Industrial G8749 is one of the most innovative pieces designed to make sanding easy. It would be a great addition to wood workshops, especially those targeting to shape and finish contours. The sander is powered by a strong 1 HP motor that generates a maximum of 1725 RPM, which is sufficient for most light-medium sanding tasks. To get better results, make sure the drum sander is fitted on a firm bench. Grizzly Industrial G8749 rocks an interesting dual-sided sanding pattern. One side allows you to choose between the 3-1 divided by 4 inches diameter and 4-3 divided by 4 inches diameter inflatable sanding drums. On the other end, the sander has a 10-1 divided by 2 inches diameter by 7-3 divided by 4 inches long flap sander featuring 12 abrasive flaps. The flaps are backed by flexible bristles. Unlike most drum sanders from Grizzly that are very heavy, the G8749 is super light. At only 67.8 pounds, the sander can easily be moved from one working site or workshop to another. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.